Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel at Lisa J's World. Today I have a unboxing for you guys, but before I get into the unboxing, I would like to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel. And if you're new to this channel and you like handbag videos, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button below and then hit the bell notification next to it so you'll be notified when I upload new content. So this unbagging today is a bag that I have been wanting. I've been eyeing it for a very long time, just never pulled the trigger on it. And then Dooney had a sale around close to Mother's Day, and I just couldn't resist it. I just hope I picked the right color. So let's get into this quick unboxing. Okay, so it's a little heavier than normal. Not that much heavy, but it's got. I could tell that the bag has a little weight. So I ordered this directly off of Dooney.com, and they still have the bag available, but unfortunately, it's not on sale. I got this bag after the sale, so I'm excited to share this with you guys. Okay, so that is the packing slip. It doesn't have the name that I know it by on the packing slip. And it doesn't have it on the, it's supposed to be the Croco Fino Satchel, but it doesn't say it on here. It just says stone, and it says satchel. I'm excited. I hope I like the color. I was on the fence of this bag. I was on the fence on the color. And wow. So it was between the brown tomorrow, because I used to, well, I didn't used to. I had a Croco bag from the Croco and Bows line. I think it was a hobo. It had the nice thick leather strap, kind of like the Beckett bag that I got. But this is really pretty. Look at that. Wow, that is gorgeous. Is it all that I thought it would be? It's nice and soft. I thought it would be like really really stiff and structured, but it's a nice softness to this. The tag, it still says, it says stone, but it's the Croco Fino. So it has like the tassels are, they have the green in there, the green suede. I'm just trying to admire it, guys. I'm like, it was between the brown tomorrow and this color, and I think this will go with a lot of nice things. So I already have a brown tomorrow. I love the satchelness of it. I love that it's I love the small Florentine satchels, and this is the size of a Florentine satchel. This is 8 inches high, 5.75 inches wide here, and it's 13 inches across. I'm on the fence, guys. I mean, it's really pretty. It's really a pretty color. I have to see it with some things. And this is the color stone. What you guys think? This would go nice with some white, khaki, olives. I mean, it's such a neutral color. The contrast is more than I expected. I expected the contrast not to be so defined. I've been wanting this bag for such a long time. Maybe I should have got the brown. I'm not sure. It might go back. So pretty. I mean, when you put it next to this blue, it's nice. Maybe it's just too much of this one color. It does have the different pattern thing going on here, like on the sides has the different pattern. It kind of, the straps here have the same pattern as the pattern right here, but in the middle it's the chunkier Croco up until the top part, so it's consistent with the pattern. The tassels have the same as the sides, which is nice. Let's see if the back is like that. Yep, the back is the same. This might be a bag. Definitely would be good with denim. Definitely. White denims. Very different. I'm just not sure. And the straps look about the same pattern as this pattern here. And on the bottom, there's a little disconnect right here, almost. Oh, the pattern, it's consistent. Even on the reinforcements. I tell you one thing, it's soft. It's not really stiff. Smells like leather. I don't want to open it up because, you know, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. I have to see it. Sometimes, you know, I'm a visual person. Sometimes I have to see it with some things. Not all the time, but it's an attractive bag. Don't get me wrong. But I just need to maybe see it with some things so I can get an idea. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And if you did like this video, hit the like button below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, if I should keep it. If she's a keeper or she not. Such a pretty bag. Alright guys, until my next video. See you then. Bye.